Hello guys, welcome to Codenzyme. In this playlist, we are going to learn about image processing in Python. So we will be mostly working on the OpenCV module in Python, and using our knowledge, we are going to do several projects like drawing lines, circles, and rectangles in an image, a face detector using Python, rotating, cropping, and flipping the image, and various other projects. Hence, I hope you guys are excited. And with this, let's get started with the setup for our course. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder. I will call it image processing, and you can call it anything. For now, I will call it image processing. And in this, I'm going to create two subfolders. One I will call images, and next folder I'm going to call models. So now that we have these folders initialized, you can go ahead and download 2-3 random images from the internet in this images folder. And I have this group photo image and a tree image from the internet. Okay, so now that we have our test images, we are going to create a virtual environment in this folder, because it is generally a good idea to work in a virtual environment instead of using a global libraries. And to create a virtual environment, I'm going to type first I'm going to deactivate this base. And to create this virtual environment, you need to open your folder in a terminal, or if you are using Windows, your command prompt. So change your directory to your current folder, and I'm going to type python 3 dash m module venv, and I'm going to name the environment as env, and this will create a env folder in my image processing folder. Next, I'm going to activate my virtual environment. So source environment bin activate. Okay, so it is pretty simple to activate a virtual environment. And once you have your virtual environment activated, I'm going to install a few libraries. So once we have this virtual environment set up, I'm going to download a few external libraries which we are going to use in our image processing. First is the NumPy module. NumPy. Okay, so NumPy has been downloaded. Next, I'm going to install the OpenCV module, which is the which is the main module which we will be working on. And next, I'm going to install a Jupyter notebook. Pip install Jupyter. Press enter and give it some time. It will take uh, a minute or two to download. So I will see you guys one after it is downloaded.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा लाइक ठोकी दबा.
Okay, so our Jupyter notebook has been downloaded. Let's just open a Jupyter notebook here. Jupyter notebook, and let's just wait for this to open up. And you can see our Jupyter notebook has been opened successfully. Let's create a new notebook, and once it is created, let's check if the NumPy and CV2 modules are working. So import NumPy, comma CV2. Press Shift plus Enter and wait for this star to turn 1. And if it does not give any error, it means you did everything successfully. You made no errors. So I don't see any errors, and this completes our setup. So now that our setup has been completed, both this NumPy and CV2 modules are working. It gives no errors. So I will see you guys in the next video, where we will learn about how we can read images using the CV2 module and how to display them also. So till then, happy learning. Thank you.